Ay, magandang umaga, tanghali, gabi kung saan man kayo naroon. It's the day after the election. Minority government ang liberals. So, Prime Minister is Mark Carney. But yung conservatives is the opposition. NDP parang nawala na sa party. So ano na si Jagmeet Singh nag-resign. So some Black Quebecois ang third place. Mark Carney is just replaced Justin Trudeau about 6 months ago. Last February, I think. February, March, April. So it's not even 6 months. And he's the Prime Minister. So Poilievre has been in the politics since 2004. But he's in conservative side. From then, si Harper ang conservative from I think it's 2009 to 2015, parang ganun eh. And so before that, I never really pay attention to politics in Canada. But this time, dahil naapektuhan na yung mga crimes sa Canada, it's not like before. Raise the taxes. Yan, siyempre maapektuhan na yung life mo, right? So I had interest in Canadian politics now dahil doon sa mga nangyayari sa Canada. Mass immigration. Wages are down. So yun ang kanilang 100 million people by 2030. It's gonna be pushed. Wages are gonna go down. So
gandang araw sa inyo. Napakaganda ng araw ngayon. 11 degrees. 10:49 Wednesday. And so April 30. Ang bilis ng April. April, May, June. June, kalahating buwan na agad. Mabilis lang ang panahon. Kaya, make the most of it.
yan, wala tayong ngayon, sombrero. So yan talo ang liberals, but minority ang liberal government. So anything na ipapas nila sa ng mga law or something like that, they have to work with another party which is conservative in opposition. I was hoping Prime Minister si Pierre Poilievre. He's in politics for more than 20 years, since 2004, right? Si Carney was a banker back then, and then he entered politics when Justin Trudeau resigned. I mean, so yan, parang I guess people in Canada wanted to try him kung mas matanda at mas ano siya. Sinasabi nila mas experience dealing with Trump, but Trump was never like, he wasn't a threat until he became the president, right? So before that, the liberals destroyed the country like what it is right now. Higher crime, ano ba? Higher crime, inflation. But I mean, inflation is lahat naman ng countries nag-inflation, but it was worse. Yung wages natin went down because of mass immigration as well. So yeah, marami ring bumoto sa liberals dahil yung mga new immigrants are on the side of the liberals kasi nga ang daming nakapasok, right? And then yung mga conservative, yung mga mostly truckers na tsaka yung mga old Canadians that's been here. So yun yung mga gusto ng change also. So yun, we'll see how it goes in this coming days and weeks. We'll monitor it and then we'll put our opinion out there.
The next day.
What's up mga kabayan? Dito na naman tayo. Ayan, yung sa election, disappointed tayo, but it's a minority government, so kailangan nilang work with the conservatives unless na may coalitions ang liberal tsaka NDP or Black Quebecois. Yan, so yung Alberta nagde-referendum na for separation. Susunod yan ang BC tsaka Saskatchewan siguro. So ayan, nagano tayo, bumili tayo ng chicken, beef slice tsaka fish. Yung fish hindi ko muna nilulutuin, lang chicken tsaka beef lang. Yan. Itong chicken naka-marinate na siya so lutuin na lang siya. Yan. Tapos yung beef thin slice, nilagyan ko siya ng ganito at saka foil kasi para hindi pumasok sa loob. Tapos andyan pa yung ibang beef. Yan, quickie na pang ulam. Sarap yan sa kanin. Yan, ayos. Maya luto na yan. Okay, itong beef, tapos lagyan natin ng marinate ng ito pala. Yun. Yan, tignan natin. Mabilis lang maluto yung chicken natin. Mamasunog Yan, vigilant ka Ito, gusto ko naman dito medium. Ito na ata. Pagka matigas na, pagka tinong nyo, medyo, pag malambot pa, medyo hindi pa luto. Pero pagka matigas, like ano na siya, firm, ang luto na. Yan. Sa feel pa. Volunteer off tayo. Tapos na to. Masunog eh. Yun na sana kung even lahat eh. Parang mas mainit sa gitna masyado eh. Yan. Ayan. Okay. Siya nga pala. Mang Berto is May 1st is my first year anniversary. Salamat sa mga nag-subscribe, nag-like. Please like and subscribe sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe para naman ma-recommend ang ating channel sa iba, right? So if you guys can hit the subscribe and like tsaka notification bell para pag kami nilabas akong video merong notification. Salamat. May 1st bagong na tayo, hira ng sa Canada. Yun at bago tayong Prime Minister with the minority government. Pero baka daw maging majority kung mag coalition. Ang NDP may 7 seats eh. So 166 I think. Tapos kung yung NDP sa 7, parang ganun eh. Magiging majority raw. So hindi na nila pag nag-legislate sila ng mga batas hindi na nila kailangan pagdebate sa opposition. Pagka kailangan nila i-debate pagka minority government. Yan. For the last 2 terms ata naging minority. Nung una majority nung 2015 si Trudeau. Tapos naging majority din ata. Tapos minority, ngayon minority. Ganun. So we'll have to see anong mangyayari in the next couple of weeks, days. Yan. So summer mag-ano sila. I think may 100 days sa summer na hindi sila magpupunta sa parliament. So we'll see how it goes. Good luck sa Canada, sa Alberta. Parang nano lang kami dito sa West dahil hindi pa tapos ang mag-close ang poll dito sa West. Tinatawag na ng I think ng CBC, CTV News ang na may minority government na. So ibig sabihin parang hindi na kami counted. So kasi sa number of seats parang konti lang representation ng West compared dyan sa East. Alright.